Hello friends, welcome back. So today I'm going to make chicken manchow soup at home. So let's start with the ingredients. Here I have beans ki phalli chopped. Then it's carrot, gajar, that is also chopped. Tomatoes chopped. Capsicum chopped. This is green chilies chopped. Chicken minced. With hand you need to do this. And lastly garlic chopped into very small pieces. See this way. And this is onion. This is also chopped. So everything, each and every ingredient which I have showed here is chopped with dory maker, dory chopper. I'll be showing you or inserting you the pic here. So after that you need to take tawa and add 1 tablespoon of oil in it, and then add garlic and fry it for some time till it gets smooth. After that add green chili, fry it in oil. So in this recipe you need to add give few minutes for each and every ingredient for frying or becoming smooth, and then you need to add one by one. So I have added chicken here. After that I have left for 2 minutes, and then the whole thing is transferred to a bowl, and then next add some more oil and then add carrot. Okay, after that it's garlic, no, it's capsicum, yeah. So add capsicum in it. Saute it for some time and then add tomatoes finely chopped. So ingredients I'm not mentioning here how much I have taken, because you need to add your own ingredients, how much you want to add, like 4 onions, 3 green chili, 4 tomatoes, 3 tomatoes. It totally depend on you how much you want to make the gravy inside the soup. Okay, so I have taken 3, each and everything 3 quantity. Okay, tomato, capsicum, onion, green chilies 4 to 5 I have added. So totally depends on you. Okay, so now I have added that bowl thing, chicken thing, in this dish, and I have mixed it very well. Saute it for 2 to 3 minutes and then add soya sauce, 1 tablespoon, 1 full tablespoon. Then you need to add red chili sauce. You can take any red chili sauce. Add 1 tablespoon. So spices also depends on you how much you want, like salt, chili, to your taste you can add. Then add salt in it. Okay, some more salt. Saute it for some time. Then add black pepper powder. So for quantity you can add 1 teaspoon. Salt and salt and salt. This is the whole game of sorting. And here I have taken I have first boiled the chicken, so what is left from the chicken I have added here. Okay, the water which will be left from the chicken I have added here, so that it tastes very good. You can add normal water also, or you can add this water. Okay, and then add 1 to 2 teaspoon of corn flour, and add water in it. Simultaneously salt this dish for some time. See, I have added water. Mix it to a very liquid consistency. On the other hand, you need to break the egg and keep it ready, so that we need to add it in the dish. So here your dish is ready. You can add some more ingredients now. As you can see, we are getting a somewhat thick consistency after cooking it for some time. So we have added some more water, and then we are adding corn flour. Okay, now you need to sort it and add egg in it. So whisk the egg and then you need to add the egg in the dish. Mix it very well, so you will get this type of consistency as you can see in the video. Here you can add some more water, then you need to add biniski palli, which is chopped. Some more water, and your dish is ready. You can serve it directly, or you can serve it with the Maggi noodles, or else you want outside noodles, so you can bring that noodles and boil for some time, and then you can serve it with the noodles. So I have served here with the noodles. You will see in the image, here it is, and it's very very tasty. Try it and comment me down below. Like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.